So this being the first day of roughing in the pad, pretty much all I really do is get an idea of where everything's going to go. I think the two things is hydraulic efficiency, but more so homeowner friendliness, meaning making sure that everything will run the way it's supposed to without getting ridiculous. Well, if you really want to run these pumps with like full efficiency, then we're running like 3-inch into them, and typically what you want is you want to multiply your diameter by 10 for how long of a straight pipe you want in front of the pump so it runs most efficient.
Mm-hmm.
So like what we would do is, since we're running 3-inch here, we would basically run 2.5 feet, 30 inches of straight pipe to go into the pump for the most efficient. Problem is we often don't have enough space for that, and just as far as homeowner friendliness is having the baskets, the valves, everything, you know, relatively close to each other. Try to automate as much as possible so everything can pretty much be run from a phone app. But whether it's me having to service something and take it apart, or you know something isn't working, so the homeowner's got to do it by hand, I just try to make it as easy as possible. So kind of, it's a little bit of both worlds. You want everything to run efficiently, but at the same time you want to you know, not make it a total hassle and make the plumbing project as big as the pool, as far as, you know, trying to run everything the way you want it.
Yeah, and sometimes losing a little efficiency is worth it for the use.
Yeah, and
you gain.
I mean, you also have you know, the customers who they like to hide everything, and there's only so much that you can hide while having the backyard still as usable and functional as possible. I put in systems in probably half the space with as much stuff, if not more, and it can be a total nightmare, and things do go bad sooner, but sometimes it's kind of what people want, and it's like, okay, just realize the trade-offs.
Right. Right.
So,
Gotta be a realist.
pretty much. Excuse me.
Oh, yep, you're good.